Hey tech enthusiasts, ever found yourself wondering what technologies your competitors are using to stay ahead in the game? Well, today we're diving into the world of competitor tech analysis using the powerful Wappalyzer API. Let's get started. Introducing Wappalyzer API. Wappalyzer API is a game changer, allowing you to peek behind the curtain and uncover the tech stack of any website with just a few simple steps. Get API access. First things first, you'll need to get access to the Wappalyzer API. Head over to their website, sign up, and grab your API key. It's your golden ticket to the world of competitor tech insights. Identify technologies. Now, armed with your API key, it's time to dive in and identify the technologies your competitors are using. Plug in the website URL, hit that magic button, and watch Wappalyzer do its thing. Discover the tech stack. Voila! Wappalyzer unveils the tech stack, from programming languages to content management systems. It's like having X-ray vision for websites. Create lists with company details. But we're not stopping there. Wappalyzer lets you compile lists with company details, creating a treasure trove of information for your competitor research. Leverage for lead generation. And here's the secret sauce. Use this data for lead generation. Identify potential clients, analyze market trends, and stay steps ahead in your industry. Market analysis and competitor research made easy. Wappalyzer turns complex market analysis into a breeze. Understand trends, evaluate your competition, and make informed decisions for your business strategy. Level up your game with Wappalyzer API. So there you have it, folks. Wappalyzer API, your ultimate tool for unlocking competitor insights. Level up your game, stay ahead, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech secrets. Until next time, happy analyzing. Subscribe for more tech insights. Thank you again for being part of the Martech Novera family. Let's keep this journey of discovery and innovation rolling together.